Good day, my name is Jin Hao. I am from HJKC Yingxing. Today, the story that I want to share is Ginger the Giraffe. It is written by Sophia in 1983. In the story, Ginger was kind and helpful. She helped the other animals regardless of their species difference. She seldom rejected any requests asked by other animals, as long as they were not with evil intention. In the story, Ginger assisted Mickey, a monkey, to search for food at a higher place, such as a tall tree. All of the animals live in savanna, a grassland with many tall trees. It is easier for Ginger to find food, but a challenge for Mickey to feed himself, as the tree was too tall for him to climb. He had no choice but to seek for help from the tall Ginger. Ginger was so lovely and helped him with the food. One day, Savannah was struck by the merciless storm. Unfortunately, towering inferno was in vicinity. Ginger was the one who managed the safety of every animal and thought for ideas to extinguish the raging fire. In the end of the story, every animal was safe and sound. The whole story portrays a human side to it reflects on our actions and personality to be a human. We should be helpful and kind to those who are in need. We might be the only one who could help them to solve the current problem faced by them. In this era of globalization, civilization seems to be deteriorated as we have difficulty to extinguish who are the one in need or the notorious one. We tend to protect our own safety and safeguard our benefits before helping other people, especially strangers. It is totally normal as we wish not to jeopardize ourselves in performing any kind actions. Now it becomes an interesting issue to be explored and discussed. How could we perform any kind actions without being tricked? A simpler way is to be observant enough to identify the person we help. Are they the one in need? Another consideration is to help them within our ability. To be specific, financial aid, we must not help people by risking ourselves at any possibility which leads us to be poor at once. Last but not least, please lend a hand to those who are in need when we are available at any aspects related. There are two issues discussed for safety. For the first issue, basically there are several suggestions to prevent road accidents. First of all, we should not drive fast. Every driver should control their speed of driving between 60 to 100. Above this recommended speed is considered danger to threaten the lives of pedestrians. Next, we should not drive when we are feeling asleep, exhausted, and weak. It is because we cannot concentrate while driving. We might not notice any animals or pedestrians and traffic lights in front of our very eyes. Accidents could occur in a blink of an eye. Finally, driving after drinking liquor is strictly prohibited. According to research, the chemicals of liquor affects us by diverging our attention or having hallucinations, which increase the rate of accidents. Thus, we should practice the three suggestions given. For the second issue, two actions are suggested when we come across a thief in our own house. First and foremost, we must be quiet and calm. Any noises and unnecessary screaming might attract the attention of the thief, and it results in great danger to our lives. Next, we could approach to our parents safely if they are home. Otherwise, we could summon the policeman through a phone. Please remember to lock yourself in a safe room to make the call. It is It is to secure our own safety while calling for help. Always remember not to be the hero of the day, because he might be inferior to the thief if he equips himself with weapons such as gun, knife, and boomerang. Thank you. Have a nice day.